What would you do if something like this happened one day? Life in a dog's body. This is my dog Brody. Woof! 24 hours in my dog's body. Bathroom, bathroom. Pause, can't he reach the toilet? This is kibble. This is delicious. I'm vegan now. Wait, no. Found the stash behind the couch. 3-month aged. Hey cutie, got an OnlyFans? Brody, what are you doing? I'm not Brody. I'm human. Let me out. Not there. Wrong hole. Phew, just a dream. You know everything, huh? Steak?
Это
Like if you poop
вкусно?
on the carpet too.
Эй, красотка! У тебя есть OnlyFans?
Эй, ты что делаешь? Не туда.